Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So I was looking over all the recipes in my playlist, and I realized that I don't have a lot of breakfast recipes for you guys. So today I thought I would make one for you. So today I'm going to be making maple pecan baked French toast casserole. This way you don't have to make each individual piece of French toast for your family. You can just bake it all in one big casserole, cut it into squares, and top it with a little powdered sugar and maple syrup. It is delicious. It doesn't take too many ingredients. We're just going to be using some milk, some eggs, some French bread or any kind of bread that you have, some pecans, and a few spices. So let's get cooking. The first thing we need to do is cut up our loaf of French bread or whatever kind of package of bread. Cover this with some aluminum foil, or you can use plastic wrap, and we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or it's even better if you can do it overnight. So our French toast casserole has been in the refrigerator for 5 hours, and as you can see, it's absorbed all the custardy liquid. Now we're going to make a quick streusel to go on the top. In a small bowl, I have half a cup of light brown sugar. To that, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now just mix this up with a fork. This is how it should look, kind of crumbly. Now we're going to take this mixture and sprinkle it evenly over the top of our casserole. Now you're not going to be able to get it in every single spot, but that's okay. Okay, that looks good. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. Now I'm going to cover this with foil, and we are going to bake it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to take off the foil and bake it for another 15 minutes. Okay guys, so our French toast casserole has finished baking. I had it in the oven at 350 degrees, covered with foil for 30 minutes, and then I took the foil off and baked it for another 15 minutes. It's nice and crispy on top, and it's creamy on the inside, and as you can see, those little pieces of streusel topping have almost turned into sort of a crispy caramel. So let's try a piece. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of powdered sugar. And just so we feel a little healthier, we are going to add a few blackberries. And of course, it wouldn't be French toast if we didn't add a little bacon. And there you have it, our maple pecan baked French toast. You know what time it is. Time for me to give this a try. I have one word. Absolutely incredible. Okay, that's 2 words. But seriously, this is amazing. It's crispy and crunchy on the outside, soft and creamy on the inside, just like you would have a regular piece of French toast. But what I think really makes it is that streusel topping. It's got the butter and the brown sugar and the cinnamon, and it almost made like a crunchy little candy shell on the top. It's so buttery, it is amazing. So I hope you guys are gonna give this a try. I know you're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you will give this a try. You won't be sorry. So I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Karen.